General History of Six Sigma and Continuous Improvement. In this session, we shall learn in brief the most important historical milestones of Six Sigma and continuous improvement philosophy. The Lean Six Sigma concept, as it took the present-day shape, has really received some input from as long back as 18th century, though those were more generic, and they were outcomes of research in general mathematics and physical sciences. Tracing forward those events, and connecting the dots backward, these reveal a lot of Six Sigma history. Evolution of Six Sigma. In this segment, we shall recall a few most significant milestones in the history of Six Sigma. 18th century. In 1736, French mathematician Abraham de Moivre published an article introducing the normal curve. He is better known for de Moivre's formula, a formula that links complex numbers and trigonometry. He is also known for his work on the normal distribution and the probability theory. The concept of normal curve and normal distribution will have ultimate control on the outcomes of the Six Sigma objectives. 19th century. In 1818, Carl Friedrich Gauss, a German mathematician and physicist, uses the normal curve to explore the mathematics of error analysis for measurement, probability analysis, and hypothesis testing. Sometimes referred to as the Princeps Mathematicorum, meaning the foremost of mathematicians, and the greatest mathematician since antiquity, Gauss had an exceptional influence in many fields of mathematics and science, and is ranked among history's most influential mathematicians. 19th century. In 1896, Italian sociologist Vilfredo Federico Pareto introduced the 80-20 rule and the Pareto distribution in Cours d'économie politique. He introduced the concept of Pareto efficiency and helped develop the field of microeconomics. He was also the first to discover that individual and collective income follow a Pareto distribution, which is a power law probability distribution. The Pareto principle was named after him, and it was built on observations made by him. He observed that 80% of the wealth in Italy belonged to about 20% of the population. This one concept changed the way we look into and prioritize the issues around us.
End of the session. To make the learning even more engaging, our research team has prepared a short quiz for you to test your understanding. You can find the link to the quiz in the description below. Take a few minutes to complete it and feel free to share it with your colleagues, friends and online mates. Before you go, don't forget to hit the bell icon. If you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time, don't miss out on the latest insights. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.